Hi to all. This is my course page. My course is on women's writings. Here I have created the assignment. Before I created, I turned editing on. Is here. I have taken here to create the assignment. I went to add an activity. There I clicked on assignment, and since I have already created, I go to edit settings to show you all. Here under here as I clicked on assignment, we get this icon updating assignment in us. Here my assignment is in Poems Still I Rise by Maya Angelou, and I need to give the name for this assignment. And after completion of this poem, I ask the students certain questions to write and give the instructions that answer the above questions. Each one is in about 150 words they need to write. Then the last date is for submission. Submission last date is given. Then I need to expand this in order to give the due dates and all the other instructions. So here availability is until 15th October, and here submission type is file submission. All together they need to give in 450 words. Maximum number of files is 1 and not more than 1 MB. Here the accepted file is PDF file, and then I have given all these details. Then they have to get 3 marks to pass for 5, and after completion of all this they need to they have to show activity as complete when conditions are met. And then I saved it into display mode. Here students can view the questions on assignment and also the instructions. Since here nobody submitted yet, it is showing all this. Once submitted, the grade is given. Thank you.